question 1. Nigel bought 12 boxes of melons. He paid $15 for each box. So at some point, we're going to need to find out how much he paid. So if there were 12 boxes and he paid $15 per box. These aren't your calculators. 1 second. Okay, so we've got 12 multiplied by 15 is 180. So that's $180 that he spent. Right, there were 12 melons in each box. So if there were 12 boxes and 12 melons in each box, we don't need a calculator for that. We've got 144 melons. Nigel sold 3/4 of the melons for $1.60 each. So 3/4 of 144 melons. Just chop in the calc. 3/4 multiplied by 144 is 108 melons. And he sold them for $1.60 each. So 108 multiplied by $1.60 is 172.80. And the rest of the melons, so if there were 144, take away 108, so it's 36 melons. Oh, it's a daisy. So 36 melons multiplied by something is going to give us the remainder. Okay, we know it's going to be less than $1.60. Right, so he made an overall profit of 15%. So if he bought them for $180 and he made a 15% profit, then that's a 15% increase. So 1.15 multiplied by $180. Oops. $1.15 multiplied by 180 is $207. Okay, so work out how much he sold each melon for. So if we've made this much money and we sold the others for this much, then the difference between those two numbers must be the amount that we're missing here. So 207 take away 172.80 is 34.20. So if this here should be 34.20 and 36 multiplied by something gives us to 34.20, then to find that the price of the melons, it's going to be 34.20 divided by 36. So 34.20 divided by 36 melons is 95 cents each. All right, factorize fully. Okay, the important thing here is fully, so we're looking to see the maximum number or the biggest number that goes into both 18 and 45, and that would be 9. We need to know the biggest number of that number of e's, so that would be e squared, and f is the maximum there. So if we divide this term by that, we get 2e, and this one we're going to have 5f cubed. Solve. It's a solving quadratic equation. This is the paper 2, so we'll just have to fill the brain. Anyway, all right, so we're solving quadratic equations. You can try and factorize first, if you wish. Two numbers that multiply to give -12 and add to give -4, so that's -6 and +2. So I know that my two answers are x equals +6 or -2. You can also use a quadratic formula. So a is 1, b is -4, c is -12. So we would have x equals, it's -4, so that's +4 plus or minus the square root of, hang on a minute. Right, what I've done is just I've gone to get this for you, just so you don't have to remember it. So we've got minus b, so that was +4 plus or minus the square root of -4 squared, oops, minus 4ac over 2a. And remember, you can just use your calculator to do this. So menu, algebra, polynomial tools, roots of a polynomial. Oh, maybe that's not what we want. Oh, your calculator is slightly different. Darn it. Okay, anyway, you get the same two answers no matter how you do it. That's annoying. Right, I found it, sorry. So, algebra, it's this one. It's the top one, I missed that. Degree of polynomial, so it's the power of 2, we want real roots. So our values were 1, negative, well, they weren't now, -4, and -12. Oh, Lord above, -4, enter, -12, okay, enter, -2 and 6, okay, so there we go, that's how you do it on the calc.